Hello everyone, welcome to Python Lab. In the previous 3 tutorials, we have seen how to get started with Flask, how to design layout using Bootstrap, and how to create and retrieve posts from MySQL database using sqlalchemy. This tutorial is continued from the previous tutorials, and today I'm gonna show you how to delete and update posters using Flask, sqlalchemy. And if you are new to this, you can watch the previous tutorials, and you can also clone the GitHub repository. I will push on GitHub, and I'll post the link on the comment box of this video. Okay, let's get started. First here, and go to the index.html, and from this, every single post, let's put buttons to delete or edit post buttons. Okay. Every posts, and we got the URL for this post, delete, and we call the post.id. Post.id is here. For every post, we get the IDs and titles and descriptions of the each post, and we call the post.id to the delete your routes. So, and we call it button class return plunger, and we also add onClick that return confirmation message. Confirm message. Are you sure to delete this post? Okay. Here, delete this post. And we also add another button in the footer of every post that is updates and with post ID. Button between primary. Okay, let's save and refresh our web browser, and let's look how it look like. This is our blog app we have designed in the previous 3 tutorials, and today we're gonna add delete and edit buttons in this post. Every user can delete or edit their own post. Okay, here delete and edit buttons are added in the layout, but we should have to add the routing in the routes file, and here we can delete file. Okay, let's delete specified post by ID. Add up routes delete. We call the delete, and that's the ID, passing ID with the URL delete. And method is, we can pass the method is either post or get method. Okay, then we also create the function delete, the same name with the route name, and pass the ID as an argument to the parameter to the function delete. Then if request.method is get, we get single post from MySQL database. Okay. Post to delete. We call the class post or the model name from models class and query method. Then we call the method get, we passing ID as an argument to this post. Now we call db session dot delete method, and we pass the variable post to delete and automatically deleted to from db, and we commit the changes in the database. Now we pass flash message here. Either the post is deleted or not. That is a success message. If the post is deleted, it will return a success message on the header of the post. Okay. A post is deleted. Then redirect to some other URL. I mean, return the redirect. Where to the redirect this method URL for when the post is deleted, the post should be return a URL or redirection or most probably index. Yes. Okay, let's check. We have created this function, delete function in the routing. When you click the button route, and automatically redirect to the route and including the ID and automatically the post with that ID is deleted. Okay, let's check. Let's delete the first post here. Are you sure to delete this post? This is a confirmation message, which is on click when you click on it, a JavaScript confirmation message. If you click on OK, it will delete. Okay, a post is deleted. Yeah, you can delete. All posts are deleted. We have no any posts in the database. We can create new posts. We have already developed a creation and retrieving data from MySQL and into the MySQL in the previous video. You can watch those videos to get understand how to create new posts and store in the database. Okay, how to create new post. You can watch the previous video to understand how to create new post. Okay, just create, then post is created and you can go to home and you can see this post. Now the next step is how to edit this post. If you wanted to update this post, you can edit this post. Okay, let's get back to here and we create edit post method route goes route edit with ID. ID is integer and methods post or get. Then we create the function edit and pass ID. If request dot method is get post to edit, we call the class get query and get that post ID. Just get a single post from database with that ID, which is specified in that ID. Okay, just we pass redirect to return render template edit.html file, passing the post to edit post to edit. But we should have to create a edit.html file in the template, and let's create a new file, edit.html, and let's copy post.html file. It is the same, but the form is the same, but the difference here is change this update post. Here we pass the value. Value post to edit and call the title here like this. Here we call the ID in hidden, type is hidden, and name is ID, and value is post to edit.id. And we also assign here in the text area, just post to edit dot, disk. This is the attribute from MySQL database, and it is, and here change the button to update. Okay. Now we have finished this one, but here we change to update new route updates. Then let's refresh our web browser and let's click here. Sorry, this is edit. Change the updates to edit in the index.html file in the edit buttons. The buttons here, route to edit, because edits, when you click on edit, it redirects to the edit.html file, which contains the post to the edit title and other information. When you click this, just retrieve the post and the form. Then you can change this post and you can click update, but we need to create a route on update to update this page and go back to the index.py file, and let's create a function update specified post up route update. The method either post or update. We define updates method, and if request, this is the post request method is post, then first we get the post with ID and post to update post dot query dot get. Just request, we call the ID from the form, which is hidden ID, form ID. This is, the ID, the name ID, which contains the ID of the post. Then the post will retrieve with this specified ID, and then update the post. Post to update dot title, we call the title and change by form dot title, the new values of the title, and post to update to description disk, and we call request.form, that is disk. All those are the names of the title and the form title and the description, right? Then we commit changes, db.session.commit. Okay, then we just flash message, post is updated. Then redirect some to return redirect URL for some index. Post is updated. Okay, we are finished. Now let's save and refresh our page, and let's edit. For example, let's create a new post. Clone GitHub repo update. Yeah, post is updated. Create a new post, cloning, change. You can create a new post. Flask. Flask is something. You can say something. Okay. Just for post is here updated. You can edit this post. Flask update and delete. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, post is updated, and if you want to delete this post, you can delete, and it is a confirmation message. If you cancel, it will not delete. If you click OK, it is deleted. Okay, this is all about today's session, and you can watch the previous tutorials, and you can clone the GitHub repository. I will share you on the comment box of this video. Thanks for watching.